and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Okay guys, I just literally got in town, and we picked up all the stuff that we needed to get. I just finished getting my fingernails and my toes done, and my sister got her hair done. As you know, I do my hair pretty much myself, so I'm just gonna fix it up and get myself together. We ended up picking up the wreath, and they're made of real flowers. And thank you so much for, let me see, I forgot the company name. Well, I forgot the company name that we got the flowers from, but I will definitely shout them out either later on today, later on tonight, or when I find out what the company name is. Thank you guys so much for the wreath. They look beautiful, and I know if my mom was alive, she would have loved them. She loves flowers. So, and everything just looks so beautiful. So guys, we are going to go, well, I'm going to go shower and then get myself together, and then we are going to go to Dead Yard. Well, call it celebration. So we're going to go celebrate my mom's life. As they say in the Bible, there is a time, you know, a time for weeping, a time for crying, a time for joy, a time to be sad, a time for laughter. And right now it's gonna be a little bit of both. So I will try and capture as much as I can, and I guess tomorrow will be the day that it will be the weeping day. My heart is just, I'm just praying that everything goes smooth and my mom just have a good send-off. Me and my siblings worked really hard, and big up to my uncles and my big brother as well. My two younger siblings, my younger brother, my younger sister, like, you know, just for being there, and everybody else that's been running around with us, just trying to make this a very special moment for her. And it's a good thing that we really know our mother and we know what she would love. So I knew that when you guys see how things go tomorrow, everything, the colors, the coordination, everything, she will love it. So yeah, and you guys will also get to see the grave tomorrow, finished, because you guys seen it unfinished, unpainted. So you'll be able to see it finished and painted. And it's a different style of grave for those that have watched my channel and seen. My husband's mother and father got buried within the same year. Their grave is different from how my mom's grave is. It's a total different way. I have never actually seen the style either myself, because usually the way they do it. So you guys will see that in tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, you guys will see that in, I guess, the funeral day vlog. So I'm gonna go shower and get myself together, and I will be back. I gotta go find my outfit. It's been a long day. I've been up and just, yeah, so let me go get ourselves together and then I'll be back, guys. Right. Good night, guys. Oh Lord, I'm in my mommy's room. Ah, boy. See, I'm even matching with her room. Oh Lord, we're matching. Crazy. Me and my sister didn't even think, and like, we're literally matching. We're both wearing one piece. The only difference is our colors are a little bit different. Crazy. Oh man. Oh. Oh, there's a poster picture. Oh. Oh boy, it's been a crazy journey so far. Today was a busy day, it's the last of it, and tomorrow we'll lay our beloved mother to rest. I think this is one of the hardest things I'm ever going to have to do in my life. One of the hardest. Yeah. So.
Alright.
Oh. Okay. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is the lighting, candle lighting for, well, dead yard for my mom. Okay, so she'll find her way home. Ah, boy.
Me say yet, me no say auntie. And 4 times I have to hug her, me cry tears to me outside.
Backside, excuse me, madam. Never know stay there.
Of course.
Oh, you notice how come all we are red and burgundy tonight?
Yeah.
Come like we are planning now. That Jenny was supposed to come in, she not come. Come, me go see if we can find and try. So me I walk, me I go just about record. Hello.
Where is that angle?
Where, you know, so me don't know. Me don't even know. After Auntie June them, me I go, I something, me I walk.
After that, what you like going?
Eh? You go all out, me I go out.
You go to that one.
Yeah, ask Auntie June them what they do with it. You see and try?
And try.
Yeah.
Mommy don't see.
Lord have mercy. Come. The battery are dead too. Try, you in there. Oh. You know see? You see and try? Okay. So. Yeah, I thought. Oh. Abby. I'm gonna bring on the battery. Can't go too far enough. So the lighting goes all the way out to the main road. Hey,
Rather than the stone road, but on the creek. And then get to my door. Oh God. Hello, what I come?
Yes, right.
When I'm back on my feet again, out in the street again.
Right this one. Hey, I put a 1 2 top plate tonight. Problem. Yeah. Turn up the light to the steroids, baby. Turn them up. There are some people in bad man and on the shoulder to lean on.
Yeah.
November 20th. Serious better.
All you had to offer was a promise of a lifetime of love.
Let the clean up people of the sickness and the suffering.
There is no
Okay. You never hear.
love.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, better not make this one. Yeah.
This song goes out to those who lost a loved one, who has lost someone.
All who there tonight. Ready now.
Life goes on, never wanna say that phrase, never wanna sing that song. Still I can remember days
Hey.
when we used to party in the same yard. Never wanna say that phrase, never wanna sing that song.
Everything alright, man. A new tune me there. Murder.
When we used to party in the same yard, got to blast together. DJ in the past for the job, something that lasts forever. Yet never forecast the weather. Me hear you buy some motivation, do your part.
Big up to one of my friends all over.
Remember back in on the past night, me you wanna be lyrics and cut like shot. You tell me a star and me say alright, but you never live to see the star bright come like goes on. Never wanna say that phrase, never wanna sing that song. Yeah, me remember days when we used to party in the
I only put big people drop out.
never wanna say.
Father Plank, big up yourself. Mother jump out one day too. No, but that's not here. Let me play some real song. A long time we don't come by here. Ready now.
She has so far me know them seats, so she tell her to go.
The Russian, the general there.
1,000 feet with a sniper on the old man. Yes, mama love you.
Don't play about that song. Who never happen? Real song.
Mother, yeah.
Go town. I don't know if it's any money for this.
So far me know them seats, so she tell her to go back in. My money start at 1,000 feet with a sniper on the old man.
Everybody what there now?
Mama love.
See, they're all the way over there. Look, if they come from.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You